Russian logistics firm asks Moscow to legalize crypto payments. Regulation. Russia. ETE Group wants government to provide Russian traders with regulatory framework for crypto-powered trade. Last updated, April 11, 2025. Author. Tim Alper. Author. Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 11, 2025 at 02:30 GMT +3. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Russian logistics firm ETE Group has asked Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin to let domestic firms use crypto as a payments tool in overseas trade deals. Per gov't.ru, ETE wrote to Mishustin to ask him to develop a regulatory framework for settlements with foreign suppliers in digital currencies, including cryptocurrency. ETE said it wanted the government to make changes to the Russian civil and tax codes. Russian logistics players looking to crypto. It also wants Moscow to amend other regulatory legal acts, including the federal law that governs currency control. The company is based in Moscow and the far eastern city of Vladivostok and has almost 500 corporate clients. It specializes in cargo shipments to nations like China, India, and Turkey, as well as Southeast Asian countries. The company wants Mishustin to help establish a legal status for cryptoassets. It also called on the government to create formal protocols for crypto's issuance, circulation, and accounting. And ET called on the Prime Minister to clarify regulations pertaining to platforms, crypto exchanges, and name the state body that will control crypto transactions. The company noted that in 2024, business sector interest in making crypto payments abroad increased by 40%. The firm suggested that while Russian companies are allowed to make international payments in cryptocurrency, the process carries risks for businesses due to the lack of a regulatory framework. It added that crypto payments help domestic firms solve problems with foreign payments. Sanctions driving Russian trade firms to tokens. Russian companies are believed to have started using crypto as a payment tool shortly after the outbreak of war in Ukraine in February 2022. The US, the EU, and the UK have since imposed sanctions on Russian trading companies and banks, which they have also disconnected from the SWIFT network. Officially, Russian trade firms must use the central bank's sandbox program to conduct cross-border trade in crypto. However, scores of companies are widely thought to be trading outside the sandbox, apparently with Moscow's unspoken blessing. This has led to uncertainty in the sector, however. Many companies are still reluctant to use crypto as tokens are still largely unregulated in Russia. Fresh EU sanctions in pipeline. With the EU currently drafting its 17th sanctions package against Russia and Washington also discussing sanctions pressure, more Russian companies are looking for dollar-free trade options. ETE noted that sanctions against Russian financial institutions hinder settlements with foreign suppliers. It claimed that payments between firms in Russia and China often face delays ranging from 5 days to several months. Similar situations are also frequent in trade deals between Russia and Kazakhstan, the company added. ETE said that the length of the delays extends with each new sanctions package. Russia-Kazakhstan payments take at least 2 to 3 weeks to complete, depending on the payment code, the recipient bank, and accompanying documents, the firm said. ETE explained. The situation today is complicated by the inclusion of not only large Chinese banks in America's sanctions regime scrutiny, but also municipal institutions. The slightest suspicion of a payer's connection with Russia will lead to the credit institution refusing to credit the payment to the recipient's bank account and returning it. This process can take anything from 2 or 3 weeks to several months. The firm remarked that Russian law stipulates that crypto cannot be used to pay for goods since the ruble remains the sole, official currency. The investment firm VanEck this week claimed it had seen evidence that Russia and China are using Bitcoin, BTC, to settle energy trade payments. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Panic selling hits XRP, but is this the perfect setup for a surprise rally? BTC tops $82,000 as ETH and XRP jump 13% on Trump's tariff pause. SEC approves listing, trading of options on ETH ETFs. Altcoin news. Cardano price analysis. ADA bounces as trade wars ease, but 30 cents ADA remains likely. 1 day ago. By Joel Frank. Price analysis. XRP's V-shaped reversal turns heads. Are $3 plus targets now in play? 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Charles Hoskinson predicts Bitcoin could hit $250,000 as tech giants eye stablecoins. 1 day ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025, top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 4 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medkilikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.